Let's prepare to meditate. Adjust your body so that you are sitting comfortably. Close your eyes. Rest your hands on your lap in any way that is comfortable for you. Take a nice filling breath in. Breathe deeply in through your nose and breathe out slowly through your mouth. Do this again. Now when you exhale, breathe out with a long sigh. Do this breathing again a few more times to settle your mind and body. You are ready to begin. In today's meditation, we will try to become aware of our heartbeat in different parts of our body. This can be challenging. The trick is that you have to be as relaxed as possible. Take a moment to settle some more and breathe sleepily. Scan your body with your mind and try to feel any place your heart is beating. The easiest place will probably be your chest. Notice your heartbeat and how it feels. If you could hear your heart, what would it sound like by the way it feels? Move your attention now to your neck and throat. Concentrate there to see if you can feel your heart beating. If you don't feel it, it's okay. Just keep scanning for your heartbeat. Try to feel your heartbeat in your temples now. Your temples are the soft space between your eyes and ears on the side of your head. Try to notice your heartbeat here in your temples. Adjust your focus now to one of your hands and try to concentrate for a moment to feel your blood flow there. If you concentrate hard enough, you might feel it in just one finger. Concentrate on your pulse here in your hand or finger for a moment. Try the other hand now. Scan your hand with your mind and try to feel your heartbeat there. Take a moment now on your own to scan different places on your body and challenge yourself to try to feel your heartbeat. Scan, feel, notice, breathe, and relax. As our meditation comes to a close, draw your attention back to your real body. Notice and feel where your body is touching the floor or chair. Wiggle your fingers. Wiggle your toes. Take a deep breath. Now go ahead and stretch out your body in any way that feels good to you. When you are ready, open your eyes. Now go out and find the magic in your day.